Today I'm going to show you all how I do my cranberry sauce, quick and easy. I use the cranberry sauce from any can, dried cranberries and some aromatics, anise spice and cinnamon stick. Alright, so we're going to start by putting our cranberry sauce in the pot. Alright, we add some fresh cranberries, our cinnamon stick, our anise spice, some chive, celery, Chadon Beni, pimento, onions, and some garlic, some chopped chive, parsley, white sugar, give a stir. We add some white vinegar to give that tart taste that is typically found in cranberry sauce. And add some salt and some black pepper and a little bit of water. Stir evenly and we allow to simmer for about 15 minutes to kind of draw out the flavor of everything. This sauce, well, is one of the sauces that will taste better the next day. You know, when all the as we would say locally, when all the flavors kusumi. So we made it. If you know you're going to use it tomorrow, you make it from today, and you use it tomorrow. It will taste best the next day, right? So at this point, we leave to simmer for about 15 minutes to come down on low heat, and then we remove, place in a container, cover, and refrigerate.